Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you my hostel's room. This is how it looks as soon as we enter. Starting from the door, I have these swastik and Jai Mata Di. This little box is my dustbin. I have my slipper and shoes, my bucket, and my underwears which I have washed. This is my study table setup. I have a watch, this sticker, few plants. This plant is not in a good condition. God's idol. And this is my stationery box. I have this polythene box made for me, a DIY, and I live single in my room. So these are my two beds, my bed sheet, numerous amount of soft toys which I have. My second phone. This is the other bed. I have my two little pillows. As soon as we walk, I have this chair on which I have my two bag along with my zipper, and down I have this bag for some miscellaneous stuff to keep. This is my switchboard, and this is my box for my immediate access. I have this cute little fan for drying my face mask and two charger. As we move on, this is my kitchen area. So in this I have this water jar, the stand having all my spoons, fork, and my induction of prestige. I have this iced tea, it's summertime guys, and some onions, my cup. This is my DIY hair growth water, honey, and I have all this stuff. I have my protein eggs which I put in milk, my coffee, and my tea. Moving on, I have this area where I keep my utensils, some empty box, and my fruits in a plate. This is my wash area where I keep all the dirty utensils along with tools for washing it. And this is my kitchen area. I have this aesthetic piece which I got from Amazon. And as we move, this is the look. As we move to this section, here are my windows and my AC. Here are my clothes. This set is the clothes I wear at night, and this set is for college. I wear a cloth twice. This is whiteboard because I have to do laundry on my own. So yeah. This is my laundry bag. This is my accessory box. I have made it on my own. I have my clips, my banana pin, rubber bands, clutches, and comb. This is my area, my study shelf along with my पूजा section. यहाँ पे मेरे सारे भगवान जी मैंने रखे हुए हैं. And these are my books. And on the top of the shelf are some miscellaneous stuff. These are two bags. One has some onions and turmeric, and other has some multivitamins and medicines, journal medicine. This is a cute showpiece. It's not working right now, but you just press this button, the light used to change. And one of my table lamp, both of them are not working, so I have to take them. This is my poster wall. So I have these beautiful posters. I got them from CP, Connaught Place in Delhi. This is my happy birthday edge sticker, my face mask, and a scrub. These are the clothes which I have washed, hanging there, getting dry. I have my dry fruits kept here. And this is my fragrance area, all my fragrance collection. This is my skincare area where I have all the face mask, powder, and again some miscellaneous stuff like extra dry fruits, some powders, my pouch. I have my towel on the side. Now we come to my cupboard. Cupboard number 1. Okay, okay. I know I have a lot of stuff. So on this first section I have my shorts, then the clothes to wear at night, my lower. I have this rope where I have my hair towel. All these clothes are for my outing purpose, and some bed sheet, pillow covers. This is my daily skincare products. Next section we have on the side my laundry stuff and the miscellaneous food section. This is my food section. And this is total miscellaneous section where I have my Luca, important document holder, sponge, medicine box, extra bag. These are my iCard. And this is about cupboard number 1. Moving on to cupboard number 2. I have this hand towel and a dream catcher with a little lamp showpiece. Not showpiece, it's a keychain, I'm sorry. This is my cupboard number 2. I know, again, massive. I have my handbags over here. I got this organizer from Amazon. These are my daily college wear t-shirts and all the top. These are my jeans. The next section we have my undergarments, socks. At the back we have my one piece. And this in the front are my suit or my kurta. In this section I have my skincare product like my scrub, shampoo, oils, and this is my cosmetic one where I have my makeup, nail paint. So these are the sections in my cupboard. I have my extra keychain and bells over this side, and my rubber band and a purse on this side. So these are my both the cupboards to summarize. And on the top I have some bag, like some empty bag, and over there I have my shoes and heels. From bag I mean empty plastic bags. So this is how my room looks. Just a recap. My bed sheet, my soft toy, my kitchen area. I have this face mask I got from Diwali Mela, and also this cute little thing, again I got it from Diwali Mela. I also have my mat because it's dirty, that's why it's under the bed. I need to wash it today. And again, the other side view, this is how my room looks. If you want knowledge about any of the product or things I have in my room, from where I got it or anything regarding it, do tell me in the comment section. So here we come to the end of the video. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.